Greetings and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel, The Scholarship Guidebook. In today's video, we'll delve into the application process for the Russian Government Scholarships Program 2023-2024. The fantastic news is that you won't require an IELTS exam for this scholarship application. Before we dive into the details, I kindly invite you to support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. Let's begin. Applications for the Russian Government Open Doors Scholarships Program are now open for the academic year 2024-2025. The program aims to recruit talented foreign students who would like to enroll in master's and PhD programs in Russia. Russian Open Doors Scholarships 2023 details. Russia is offering an incredible opportunity for international students to pursue their master's or PhD degrees through the Open Doors Russian Scholarships Program. With over 300 scholarships available, this fully funded initiative aims to provide financial assistance to bright minds from around the world. The application deadline is fast approaching, so make sure to mark December 10, 2023, on your calendar. Don't miss out on this chance to study in Russia for free and further your academic journey in a culturally rich and diverse environment. Funding allowances of Russian Open Doors scholarships. The major benefit of this scholarship is that it has no tuition remuneration. If you qualify for this internship, you will also receive a stipend. If you are named the best applicant in the admissions process, you won't have to take any entrance exams. Both versions of the course are available on the same page, so you can choose your favorite language, either English or Russian. You have a lot of subjects options. You don't spend too much on your living expenses. If you live in Russia and you're a student, there's an opportunity for you. Eligibility criteria to apply for Russian scholarships. There are many things that you need to take into consideration when applying for this scholarship. The following are some of the stipulations of scholarship. Applicants need a university degree or credential from a university-level program for this scholarship. People who currently live abroad but previously lived in Russia can also apply for this opportunity. You should have an English proficiency certificate. As a foreigner, you can apply for the competition. If you're a stateless person, you can apply for this grant and also for competition. This scholarship program is designed to be inclusive of all students, regardless of gender. Subjects available under Russian Open Doors scholarships. In the previous year 2023, the Russian Government Scholarship only opens its door for international students to apply in 11 subjects. But in the year 2023, the Russian government makes students apply in 14 subjects for both master's and PhD degree. It makes students get the world's top-class degree without even spending a bit on tuition fees. List of subjects are given. Engineering and technology, neuroscience and psychology, computer and data science, political and international studies, earth sciences, business and management, clinical medicine and public health, linguistic and modern languages, economics and econometrics, mathematical and artificial intelligence, education, biology and biotechnology, chemistry and materials science, physical sciences. Applying procedure of Russian Open Doors Scholarships 2023. The application process for this Open Door Russian Scholarship is done online and is fairly easy. The application process is completely online. There is no cost to apply. To apply for scholarships in different subjects, you have to fill in a separate form for each program. Candidates must submit a portfolio that includes all the relevant documents. Include all your achievements and awards in your portfolio. Applicant must submit their portfolio before the deadline. Documents required for application. For your Russian Open Doors scholarship application to be considered, you must translate the document into Russian and have it authenticated. Previous master's degree diploma, verified degree transcript, CV, curriculum vitae, recommendation letter, scan copy of passport, passport size photographs, personal statement. How to apply for the Russian Government Scholarships. To apply for the Russian Government Scholarship, Open Doors, submit your application at this link. The official languages are English and Russian. You do not have to contact or apply separately for a study program. If you are a winner, you will select a program in the subject you are a winner in. Then, you will choose one or several universities that offer programs in that track. The Olympiad has 2 rounds for master and 3 rounds for PhD. The first round is a competition of portfolios. The second round is a problem-solving challenge. The third round, for PhD candidates only, involves the selection of a prospective research supervisor for the chosen doctoral program and an interview with him, her. Participants are requested to register online using the Olympiad registration system from September 15 to December 10, 2023. During this time, participants should build their portfolio by filling in the necessary data and upload the requested documents in their accounts. All supporting documents must be submitted in either in English or Russian, or their translations must be provided in one of the languages of the Olympiad. For the first round, only a motivational letter and education level proof are required. The second round of the Olympiad is organized in a proctored form and is held from January 10 to January 28, 2024. The third round, for PhD only, is held from February 28 to March 18, 2024, in the form of online interviews with potential research supervisors in accordance with the Olympiad schedule. The video has now concluded, and if you enjoyed it, I would greatly appreciate your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. Best of luck.